Yippee-yay! Welcome to Wonderland. Here, that is. Sure hope everyone's having a great time.
This is going to be a request show.
Hot dog! I request a ride on the log flume.
Not that kind of request, Hank. Song request.
Like they have on the radio?
Right, Bubba. We've done received so many requests
That we decided to oblige with this special show.
Well, you sure heap of nice guys.
Oh, you got it.
And our firstest number is to Big Mama from Tadpole.
Here we go.
Wish that I was on old Rocky Top down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoggy smoke on Rocky Top, ain't no telephone bills. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top, half bear, the other half cat. Wild as a mink, but sweet as soda pop, I still dream about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. I've had years of cramped up city life, trapped like a dog in a pen. All I know is it's a pity life can't be simple again. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee.
Woo-wee. Hey, Rocky, did they name Rocky Top after you?
Shoot, no. When I was born, my mama took one look at my bald head and said, "He looks just like Rocky Top." Of course, I'm improved with age.
Like a pint of cheese.
Cheese?
Did someone say cheese?
Oh,
Please, are we getting our picture talk?
No, Bubba, we're gonna sing. Folks, these next three numbers are dedicated to Giant Wheel Rider, Merry-Go-Round Mary,
And the hot dog of Harry.
folks, Miss Henrietta Hatpin.
Hear that lonesome whippoorwill. He sounds too blue to fly. The midnight
you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Sat down to eat with Cotton Eye Joe, chicken in the bread and scraggling out dough. 18 feet of ice and snow, the roof caved in on Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I'd have been married a long time ago if it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe. The ball bean hammer and a 2x4, gonna be the devil out of Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I fell down and stubbed my toe.